This is Dirty Labs Enzyme Laundry Booster. I'm actually using it to soak one of my bras because I thought it was looking kind of dingy. So I just put it in here. Now this bra is a couple years old, so there's no more color bleed or whatnot. So we just did 1 scoop of the enzyme. We're gonna soak this and see what kind of comes out of this bra. I don't know if you're about me, but I wear mine for a couple days in a row. And I felt like it was just holding on to a ton of grime. Right now the water's a little gray, but we're gonna let it soak and see what happens from here. Okay, now we are at the 2-hour mark of soaking. So the water definitely has some yellow tinge to it. I'm gonna say a hint of gray, so there might have been still some color bleed, but again, this bra's 2 years old, so I can't imagine how much color bleed would still be coming, but I'm gonna wash it now and dry it and see how it smells and feels. But yeah, that water's kinda, for just one bra, that's pretty gross. Okay, everything came through. It does feel nice and fresh and fluffy again is how I would describe it. So yay again for the enzymes.